Rain versus Xrlylyl, the classic. I don't think Rain has ever lost this one. His matchup in recent history, at least.
Yeah, on paper, it's very favorable for Ichigo.
Yeah. If you can avoid the few things that make it manageable for Pup, and have that sprinkle of zest, which is Rain ripping the F smashes or the back airs, then gonna make it tough. A surprisingly even percentage.
Alright.
It's not unheard of for XR to get a wall of pain at this sort of percent. Only getting the forward throw on the whipped F smash. Ichigo is just able to move around so well. You really don't want your punish to be just positioning. Yeah, 117 to 96. Oh, gets the jab block, but no punish afterwards. Expected the jab 3 to hit. No such luck, but still taking the stop. Ichigo can still grab ledge after that. Gotta time it very specifically when you grab ledge. If you want to ledge hog him like that. Still, this is rest percentage. If XR can get an up throw, or maybe a straight up air. Or even that. Oh no!
Nice! Just in time. And the up smash. Yeah, let it rip.
That's really what helps Rain so much in so many matchups. Just letting it rip. And if you're not thinking about it, or even if you are, it can just be so hard to punish. It's so easy to fall into as well.
Yeah, it even reaches behind a bit. It's a very large move.
Oh, almost got the kill. Reverse back there. I think that was SDI up onto the platform. It's so really well done. Good job finding the up smash as well. Oh no. Looking out for the rest, don't know if he would have killed, but he's got his eyes set.
Alright. Mostly even gameplay so far. Alright. This is where... And letting it rip again.
Oh my goodness. Now that you're out of the up throw rest percentage, just love to have this sort of percentage lead. So hard to kill as each go. But it's so uncanny as well.
Every hit is just so... Oh, the missed rest. Oh, you don't want to see that. Oh.
GG.
XR had to go for something, so... You see.
It would have been XR who picked this stage. I wonder if you want the better rest confirms. No.
Oh.
That's the other problem with picking the stage. You just can't land against each other a lot of the time. Getting such consistent punishes. Even with the previous set with XR we saw, I wasn't getting the consistent punishes, but Rain is doing such a good job of getting 2 or 3 hits. Another F smash, just not killing though. Good tech.
Yeah. Oh, and that's 2 stocks
That's
already down. Oh, okay. But still making it back. Ichigo's off stage, but
Yeah.
managing to side B back. And XR still eating some percent here.
You don't want to take any percent. You just die so early.
Yeah.
These two are really at opposite ends of the weight spectrum.
Okay, good, good. Going off stage,
Nice.
you're gonna manage to clip that stock. Up throw, not comboing into anything. Looking for down throw this time, but Puff's at 100% against Ichigo, so any stray sword hits.
Yeah, that's it. No.
Almost.
That's right. Really good DI.
Oh, there's that bagger's gonna do it.
That does it.
Alright, 3 stocks to 1. Looking very rough.
Mm.
Ooh, ooh.
Look at this. Rain's able to run away so effectively against Xrlylyl.
3 stacks to 1, laughing percentage. Searching for really anything. There's not much you can do wrong in this scenario. Off at 100, looking very rough.
Anything will do it.
Almost
Absolutely
anything.
anything.
Oh, Smash will absolutely do it.
Overkill. Complete overkill.
Very good game 2 from Rain.
Wonder if we'll go to a dry plat this time.
Maybe Rain will go Falcon this time. Who knows? Okay. Same
Oh,
stage.
that's it.
Alright.
Oh my goodness, starting off so strong.
That's gonna be.
No.
Oh. Thank you, Hungry Box.
Dead at 46 from center stage. It's not what you want.
Wait! Hold on. Even it back up.
my
Okay.
goodness.
Well, you miss a rest, you take a rest. So 3 stock game.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. The
again.
batting average has not been good.
Ouch.
Oh god, at some point you gotta stop trying.
Sunken cost fallacy.
This would be a very quick game.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
XR not even trying to dodge attacks now, just trying to get a hit in. Because you can't beat out Ichigo's hitboxes, no matter who you are.
Staying really high in the air, avoiding those F smashes. Like that strategy. Going for drool up smash, a lot safer than rest.
Yeah.
Alright, 3 stocks to 1 again.
Rain who finds to confirm though. And again, XR is just before throwing away all of his defense, catching all in on the pressure. It's not working. Oh. Will the rollout work? Or only one? Nice. Oh, the read. But he still has impulse to the angel platform.
Up smash.
Ah. Oh, he
Barely
lived!
Not do it. Again. Okay.
If you lose this rain, if you lose this because of the up smash instead of the F smash,
Do some crazy rest in order. Got to be.
he's done it before.
Okay.
He's beaten
Ooh.
the timeout Isaac.
Ooh.
Look at
Nice.
that. That's dead.
Okay, okay,
We can
okay.
do it.
The craziest rest
We can
is
do it.
avoid everything.
Still alive. And he's back to air dodging down to the ground.
No, 120% on Puff.
He just needs that one up throw.
That back air is gonna
Oh,
do it.
no.
This game's winner is Ichigo.
Alright. Yeah, popping off on XR. Rain taking it 3-0.